Nang makakain, ibinahagi naman ni Maris ang susunod na bahagi ng kanyang task.
Meron tayong mga questions dito. And, let's talk, let's be open, and tanggalin natin yung mga inhibitions, and let's just have fun. Okay. Whoa! Para kay Brecca. Oh! Are you guys ready for the question? In what moments did you feel judged inside or outside the house, and how did your partner's presence help or affect you?
I think one instance na naalala ko na feel ko talagang na judge yung character ko was when I was nominated for the first time. Nag-overthink ako. So, doon ko nalaman talaga na si Mika talagang matuturing kong kaibigan dito sa loob. Siyempre, pag ganun talaga mga moments yung nominated ka, pakiramdam mo, kalaban mo lahat eh. Kasi sila yung naglagay sa'yo doon. Hindi ko naramdaman sa kanya.
Ako naman, isa siguro sa pinaka tumatak sa akin, nung nag-rampa up more, sobrang dinout ko yung sarili ko. And feeling ko na-judge ako for the way I walk, na wala akong confidence, not just inside this house. Feeling ko magre-reflect din siya outside. And para ikaw yung nag-remind sa akin nun na it's okay and I'm beautiful the way I am.
I hope na after this day, nandiyan pa rin yung support niyo sa isa't isa, and even after this season.
It reminded me na magkakampi kami ni Mika.
Sunod namang tinanong ni Maris sina Ralph at Will.
What part of your personal growth do you owe to your partner, especially in dealing with your imperfections?
Alam niyo naman nung first week, di talaga ako open sa lahat sa inyo. Si Ralph din yung isa sa sobrang nakakausap ko tungkol sa mga problema ko dito sa loob ng bahay, pati sa labas ng bahay. Natutunan ko sa lahat sa inyo and kay Ralph maging open. Mas magkaroon ng malalim na understanding sa mga bagay.
Yeah, I totally get that kung matagal ka mag-warm up and you don't have to force yourself. Iba-iba naman yung tao in any kind of social setting. Just appreciate those people like Ralph na ina-appreciate yung pagkatao mo.
Nakakatuwa lang po balikan yung mga araw na nagpa-grow sa amin as a person.
Bago ako pumasok ng bahay, feeling ko yung sakit ko talaga is na tinatry kong makahanap ng solutions right away. For every single one of my problems. Tulad nung naka-4 na straight ako na nominations. Like, every single week. Paano ko ba maayos to? Paano ba ako hindi malalagay sa alanganin ulit? I'm very lucky to have someone to vent out to again. To be able to lighten the load on my shoulders kasi he helps me carry it a lot of the time also.
Sina AZ at River naman ang sasagot ng katanungan.
What's a past mistake you're still carrying, and what would you want your partner to understand about it?
Feeling ko a mistake that I still carry till this day was not being there for my brother who passed away. I was not there to listen to him. I was not there to be there when he needed me the most. I'll never let go of it because it's what I used to make myself better for other people. Lagi kong sinasabi ko sa sarili ko ay babawi ako sa iba. And siguro that's one thing I want you to understand. Even when you say you're okay, I know, alam ko hindi ka okay. And know na I'll always be there talaga, to be there for you.
For me, it's about my dad also. He passed away and I have so many regrets. Kasi I know sa sarili ko nagkulang ako sa daughter. And River's like a brother to me. You listen and you understand me. Thank you for being there.
Okay.
Thank you, Riv.
Grief is something else talaga, and hindi lahat kayang i-handle yun. And you guys are here, so you're very strong for that.
Binasa naman ni Maris ang tanong para sa duo nina Charlie at Esnir.
What's one personal flaw or insecurity you've been scared to show your partner, and why?
Siguro something that I've told you but I really want to stress talaga about dati pa lang is my age. It's a evident difference naman po here in this house na I'm the youngest and I have a very strong personality. It's a double-edged sword It's either people love me or people just hate me and don't get along with me. But I'm so thankful sa'yo kasi yun nga, I've always had that confidence in you. And because of the confidence that you have in yourself, kinukuha ko din yung energy na yan para sa sarili ko. So, I love you, Asneriana.
Love you. Pagpasok ko dito sa bahay, pinapasaya ko daw sila. At yun yung pumasok sa akin all throughout the season na parang feeling ko, I feel the need na magpatawa every time. Na pag minsan may mga jokes akong bibitawan tapos hindi sila natatawa, feeling ko ang unfunny ko na, ang corny ko na, feeling ko yun na yung dahilan para siguro makakalabas na ako dito sa bahay. Yun yung ino-overthink ko minsan. Lalo na nung last week na nag-rank 12 ako, I let that pressure na nagsa-circulate sa akin at yun yung naging dahilan 1 week akong hindi ako. But then, si Charlie, isa siya sa mga pumili sa akin. Ang sinabi niya kay kuya, ako daw talaga yung rank 1 niya. Doon ako na-remind na may tao pa palang naniniwala sa akin. I feel love lang at that point.
We got to understand each other more and more.
Huli namang nagbalik tanaw sa kanilang journey sina Dustin at Bianca.
What truth about yourself have you been avoiding but feel safer facing because of your partner?
Isa talaga sa alam ko sa sarili ko kung ano yung weakness ko is sa love or sa friendship. Pero dito natutunan ko na meron magpaparealize sa akin na wag ako matakot, which is yan, si Bianca.
Before coming in, sobrang hirap na hirap ako tanggapin yung sarili ko for who I was. And kahit hindi pa kami magka-duo ni Dustin, pakiramdam ko na he was my partner, he was my platonic other half. Thank you sa lahat.